Present day. Present time.
Okay, guys, I got really bad news for you. Um, so how do I go about this? So Cosmic just came off with their alpha, their Cosmic store. Oh, thank God, I don't gotta deal with freaking KDE. Do you know how many times I open KDE Discover store and it lags, or it doesn't, or it has errors installing apps? Do you know what that smells like? Wait, let me play it.
Do you know what that smells like?
That's how I feel about it. And it's out. Let's check it out. If you're curious how to install it, I'm just gonna search it up. It's going to be in the Pacman. It's right there as an alpha. I already got it installed. Please tell me it opens fast. Please don't put me through the torture that freaking Discover put me. Wow. This is possible? I'm being sarcastic, obviously. Now, does it make me wait a long time to look something up and shit doesn't pop up in minute? What? Already loaded? This is alpha? Huh. I guess KDE does have a kink shaming fetish. Now, does it install things? Right. Like fast. Why is there two different versions? It's one developer. What's the difference? Is one of them, so this is integrated into your system, and then this one it's like non-flat pack? Please don't tell me there's no snaps in here. Please tell me it's not snap. I don't think it's snap, actually. Now, how fast does it what? The fuck? Discover takes forever to install shit. Hold up. Is there something wrong with the app? Oh, there's nothing wrong with the app. I'm so confused. Why can't Discover do this? This isn't beta, right? Yeah, it's alpha. Now, is it going to give me errors if I uninstall it? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, let's uninstall Discover at this point. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna start trolling and fucking talking shit about anything, KDE. I'm sorry, but not sorry. Why? What can't KDE do this? These people are not even finished. It's on alpha. It's not even finished. This is like the beta, basically. It's like the alpha. Why can't KDE do this? Okay, so KDE can't do this. What? When was Discover made? How long? Oh wow. Look. I go into the Discover store and all I get is people getting errors. Oh, and they tell me, oh my god. Oh, you still think KDE apps are good? uh, I can't make this up. I go into it and I get it's fucking people complain about errors. Well, well, well. I was originally coming here to see when it was the first time it was made. No, it's just at the signature. Anyway, at this point, I don't even really care about looking when it was made because that's just make me laugh. I I think that proved my point. Anyway, bye.